You're welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to teach you how to use the Liquify tool to give your portrait a nice shape. You can see this model here is standing flat, and I'm here to give her a nice shape in Photoshop. To do this, you need to duplicate the picture by clicking on Ctrl plus J, or on Mac is Command plus G on the keyboard to duplicate the picture. Then you right click on it and you convert to smart object. After then, you go to filter and choose Liquify. So we are in Liquify now. There is the forward wrap tool, and there is the reconstruction tool. We have the smoothing tool, we have the clockwise tool, we have the poker tool here, we have the bloating tool here, we have the push left tool, we have freeze max and our true max tool. So to start with it, we need to give we need to select the forward wrap tool and make sure we set the pressure to 50, the density to also 50%, and the size should be more than the area that you want to push out. So on my brush tool, I will select 300. The size is 300. It can be different on your own depending on the picture that you are using and also the device that you are using. So I click on the area that you want to push out by clicking on the left side of the mouse and holding it, then push it out. You hold on left and push it out. You hold on left and push it out. Do it gently. You do it gently. Push it out to give it a shape. Yeah. Remember to subscribe to my channel so that anytime I push any video in, you'll get yours. So I'm giving the model a nice shape here, giving it a nice shape here. Yeah, so you can see it's now having a nice yeah. So I think this is okay. Yeah, so I think this is okay. Let me bring out I'll use my freeze max to freeze the arm, to freeze the arm so that I can push the top. The reason why I am using the freeze mask is that I want to freeze the arm so that what I'm doing will not affect the arm too. So I freeze the part that I don't want, then push the area that I want. Yeah, so after then you can clean the part that you freeze. So yes, this is how the picture look like after giving it the shape. I think this better now. Yeah, so you hit what? You hit OK. Yes, so you can see it now. This was before and this after. Yes, so this is how you can give your portrait a nice shape in case you come across it. Thank you for watching. If at all you like the video, please subscribe and push the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you'll be first to get it. And also support me or encourage me to bring more of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.